Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. I have these capacitive stylus pens, and the way these work is they work on a touchscreen. I just opened it up a second ago and tried it on my phone and it works fine. Problem is I'm filming with my phone, so it's hard to show you, but I'll show you at least what they all look like and what you get in the kit here. So it comes with here's the instructions for it right there. Just says, oh, it's funny, it's in, oh, there it is. There's the English part. But basically, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, there's actually the whole rest of it there. But it comes with a bunch of extra tips. So if you need more tips, if you break them off or lose them, or want to go for a smaller or larger one, you have that ability with these. So what's cool about these, as I found, is you have a big thick end here. So like if you're just playing a tap game or something like that, you can tap with that. If you want to have a little bit more precise, like if I'm drawing something, I can use that little other end. And both these ends worked fine on it. I mean, I was able to draw something, I signed my name, and they both work fine and good for me. So you get this black one, we get all these other colors here. I'm not sure what the colors are. I'm guessing, I don't know, I'm not even gonna guess the colors. You guys can guess them. I'm colorblind, so that's why I can't guess them. But this is what you get, and you get a whole bunch of them, you get 5 of them, and they all work fine. You know, it does what it needs to do. So if you're playing on your phone or on your iPad or something like that, you'll have the ability to do drawing or play your games or something like that. My mom does this for like Candy Crush or something like that. So super cool, thumbs up for sure.